Good afternoon. I'm attorney Lee Perlman. Today I want to talk about a subject I regularly get asked about, the difference between debt settlement or debt resolution and Chapter 13 bankruptcy. First, let's define what we're talking about. Debt settlement is typically an agreement between the creditor and the debtor to reduce the total amount that's owed. What are some things to be aware of when dealing with a debt settlement company? Number one, make sure it's a reputable company. You can avoid bankruptcy in many cases with a debt settlement company. You must make sure the company's reputable and do your research. Google them, check it out, see if there are complaints. Debt settlement is often not the quick fix people think it is. Sometimes debt settlement companies require that you are delinquent before using their services. Debt settlement companies charge fees that you don't have in bankruptcy, and you often don't get recognition from the credit bureaus if you're making timely payments with debt settlement. With that settlement amount, the debt is forgiven, and it's usually considered to be taxable income. You will receive a 1099. Also, interest is not typically told or stopped when you participate with a debt settlement company. In debt settlement, you can still be sued by your creditors if you were in a debt settlement or management program. So be aware of this if you participate with a debt settlement program. Chapter 13 is a court-ordered bankruptcy process where all of your debts are included in one monthly fixed payment where you pay it to someone who is called a trustee. You pay this payment monthly. In exchange for that, typically, interest is told or stopped at the time of filing, and creditors cannot sue you. All of your debts are included in Chapter 13, whereas sometimes with debt settlement companies, creditors can be left off. There's something called an automatic stay in bankruptcy that prevents creditors from contacting you. So all lawsuits in contact must stop by law. The bankruptcy will appear on your credit report. However, if you're making regular payments and you make these payments monthly and timely to your trustee, in many cases your credit will improve. Thank you for listening. I'm attorney Lee Perlman. I hope this helps you understand the difference between debt settlement and Chapter 13. Feel free to reach me at newjerseybankruptcy.com. Thank you.